How did you feel about the workshop, guys?
I loved it and I want to come back many times.
What did you love about it?
I got to create my own superpower.
How about you, Kinley?
What I liked about how it felt to express myself to other people.
Question for you, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was expressing,
yourself?
yeah, my super pose. I like the Would You Rather game.
Okay, what did you like about it?
I just like think about stuff and solving it, like just
amazing.
yeah.
What's your superpower?
Kindness. We have fun doing superhero poses and learn to calm down with our superhero breaths. We also done some sheets and we have a wonderful time at this workshop, and I think I would like to go and have fun with some more.
Wonderful, thank you.
I like to go on this workshop because it's so fun.
Yeah? Okay, what was your favorite part?
I like to discover the superheroes.
Discover your superpowers?
Yeah.
Yes, got it. How about you, Harry? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was giving the badges.
Getting the badges? Let's see your badge. That's a great superpower. What was your superpower, Annie?
Kind.
Let's see it. Good job, guys. What was your superpower?
What was your superpower?
Creativity.
Who are you going to make things for?
Mommy. Because it's Mommy's birthday.
You're gonna make something creative for her?
Yeah.
I bet you will love that. It's the best present anybody could get.
My favorite part of the day was the Would You Rather,
What did you like about it?
the specific questions,
What's your superpower that you're taking home today?
clear thinking.
Clear thinking. It's a good power.
Are we gonna be on YouTube?
You want to be?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will.
So I can watch me.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, that's so good.
I'll make sure you get a copy. Thanks, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you.